Hi, I'm Tony Ndoro for Business That Matters, and today I'm speaking with John Harcourt Cooke, who is the CEO of Coastal Hire. We'll find out what his company is all about. John, good day. Are you well?
Yeah, good and yourself, Tony.
I'm fantastic, thank you. Tell us about Coastal Hire in a nutshell.
Coastal Hire is the largest small equipment hire franchise in Southern Africa, with over 100 branches operating in 8 different countries. Each of the branches is franchisee owned and operated.
Tell us, who is your target market? Who comes to you looking for equipment? And also give us an example of what type of equipment we can get from Coastal Hire.
Basically anything that you need in terms of construction, building, plumbing, DIY, you can get from Coastal. Our range of customers is actually the entire market. We service the large construction companies, the medium-sized construction companies, the bucky builder and the DIY guys. We source it from all over the world. It's tried and tested. Coastal's been around for 25 years, and the equipment that you get is the highest quality. So the best name brands like Honda, Weber, Wacker, Hilti are goods that you'll get from Coastal.
How are you able to offer such fantastic rates for this equipment?
We've got bulk buying arrangements with all of the suppliers, and the franchisees are entitled to those bulk deals. So they get large discounts when they purchase equipment from our nominated suppliers.
You said Coastal Hire has been around 25 years. Give us a little bit of a history.
Coastal Hire started at the same time as the New South Africa, 1994.
Yeah.
And it started in a backyard in a hardware store, and in Knysna. Was operated by the wife of the hardware store owner, and they put some wheelbarrows and angle grinders and proved so successful that they actually closed the hardware store down and started opening up a chain of small rental businesses.
What sort of philosophy do you have as a company?
Value for money. We treat our customers fairly. We give the best possible service that we can. We get back to you as quickly as we can, and we make sure that the equipment works. So if you hire equipment from us and it happens to break down, we will have replacement equipment on site immediately.
So if I'm a small businessman, I'm in construction or plumbing, anything that kind of business, I come to you. I don't know how to use a particular tool that I want. Do you offer this type of training at all?
We do. We've got a document that's unique to the industry called a handy guide, which is an instruction booklet on every single piece of equipment. And that is supported by 70 videos. They're short 2-minute videos of the equipment, of how to use the equipment. There's actually very little point if you're a builder in actually keeping your own equipment, because you've got to store it, you've got to maintain it, you've got to service it. And when you don't use equipment regularly, as you well know, your lawnmower in your garage, when you haven't used it for 6 months, it doesn't want to start.
I don't think I've used it for 10 years, to be honest.
So it makes much more sense to actually rent the equipment from a company like Coastal Hire when you need it, or you know that it works, and you can take it back when you're done with it. So it makes a lot of financial sense to do that.
What's the one thing that you want people to know about Coastal Hire, your potential clients? If somebody's watching this right now, what's the thing that should bring them to Coastal Hire to come and hire some equipment from you?
The average time that franchisees have been with us in Coastal is over 10 years. We've got some of the most highly experienced, best operators around. These are their own businesses that they own and manage, and we can guarantee you the very best service. The guys are highly experienced. We've got numbers of stores in the major centres, 6 stores in Pretoria, there's 8 stores in Joburg, etc. So you can pretty much find us anywhere. Look us up on our website, www.coastalhire.co.za. It's a very interactive website, and you can find our branches easily.
All right, John, thank you so much for chatting with us here on Business That Matters. John Harcourt Cooke of Coastal Hire. I'm Tony Ndoro. Until next time on Business That Matters, goodbye.